Any drill that does not perform its job properly must be either discarded or reground. To grind a point, you will require a medium grit or fine grit emery wheel on your bench grinder. Ensure that the face has been dressed. Cooling liquid is essential. Ensure that the tool rest is properly adjusted. We shall be using a standard drill gauge to check the point angle. The skill of drill point sharpening is best acquired through practice. However, the techniques of holding and turning the bit is easier to learn if we first demonstrate on a static wheel with a new or properly angled tip. Rest your hand on the tool rest and support the bit as demonstrated. Bring one cutting lip against the face of the wheel, keeping it parallel to the face. The secret is to follow the point profile with a rolling, twisting action. Let's see it once more from the top. Notice how the full flank profile is kept against the face of the wheel. Practice this action now for yourself, after which we shall demonstrate the real thing.